Hello, hi everyone, Namaste. Today we are going to make very authentic Indian sweet Puran Poli, Holi special. It is a very soft, sweet lentil stuffing flatbread and with cardamom and buttery flavor. And Puran Poli is from our Maharashtra region, very healthy and delicious. So let's see the ingredients. For making Puran Poli, these are the ingredients we require. 1 cup of chana dal, 1/4 cup of tur dal, 1 cup of jaggery, and for flavors we require half teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, pinch of nutmeg powder and pinch of saffron. Roast together, we will require 1 tablespoon of ghee, clarified butter. To prepare the dough for the Puran filling, we require 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of besan, which is gram flour, 1 tablespoon of suji semolina, 1/4 cup of milk, and we'll add 2 tablespoons of ghee and water as needed to prepare the soft dough. First wash and rinse both the dal together and soak for about 3 to 4 hours. Please drain the excess water. To boil the dal in a pressure cooker for 3 whistles. In a pressure cooker, with the soaked dal, we'll add about 1.5 cup of water and boil the dal pressure cooker for 3 whistles. Now start preparing the dough. In a pan, we'll add all the flour together. Mix it well. Now we'll add about 2 tablespoons of ghee. And make sure all the ghee gets coated nicely with the flour. Gradually we'll add milk and water as needed to make the soft dough. Cover it with the cloth for a few minutes. After cooling down the boiled dal, we need to grind it in the mixture to make the fine paste. Our dal paste looks just perfect, fine and silky. Next is heat the ghee in a pan. Add jaggery. Mix it well. Now we'll add this fine and silky dal paste. Mix it together. Continuously stir on a medium flame so that it does not stick to the pan. Cook it for few minutes with constant stirring until the paste gets dry. Almost ready. Looks dry. Now it's time to add all the dry flavor spices. Nutmeg powder, dry ginger powder, cardamom powder, and saffron. Mix it together. Nice sweet and aromatic paste is almost ready, and we'll cool it down for few minutes. We are ready for our Holi special recipe with all the prepared things ready. Our dough looks nice and soft. We will heat the pan. We will take a bowl. About this size. Use the dry flour. Start rolling a little. Add our puran stuffing. Start pulling out all the edges towards the middle. Take out the excess dough. Gently press little. Use of dry flour. Start rolling again. Make it thin as much as you can. We'll put ghee, cook on a medium flame. Gently transfer the poli to the pan. By the time it is cooking, start rolling the next one. This much stuffing. This side we will put the ghee on a medium flame. Flip it. Looks nice and golden brown, soft and puffy puran poli, coming out very soft. Add ghee. This is how we make all the puran poli nice and soft. Very crispy and delicious. Put the ghee, gently put the poli.
So this is our nice and crispy puran poli is ready. So cook this recipe and enjoy with your family. Please subscribe, like and share my video. Next time see you with the new recipe. Till then, eat healthy, stay happy. Love you all.